Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. Now this video was actually I got this idea from a follower on Twitter. So again, keep commenting. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. I do try to get to you as soon as possible, and I'll be getting to this guy after this video. But overall, I'm looking at Riot. Why was I looking at Riot? Well, obviously I had the Ethereum video and I was like, I need to play this breakout, and I just don't like the Ethereum, like the leverage and stuff. And I was looking at, all these other companies. We have like and then, Riot, Mara, and I was looking at, Riot. Okay, I'm loving the setup on Riot. I'm not going to be making a video on Mara, but Mara it's forming this very nice cup and handle. Definitely it'll be a huge play in the future. Mara looks just like Bitcoin. It's forming this cup and handle I was talking about in the Ethereum video. But man, Riot just looks very nice and very, very good. Now, the key thing is, okay, first of all, this is a ascending triangle, but this is going to be a very, very low risk play because our stop loss is right below, okay? Again, my stop losses are technical wise. Okay, if we close below the support is when I'm cutting. The stop loss, this is a similar play to IWM where I caught off the bottom of the play and then our stop loss was right below. Same thing was with SQ. Now SQ, I cut off this trade at minus 20% and I alerted on Discord cutting it minus 20%. It was a red trade, but this sell, okay, our stop loss was beautiful. Okay, that was the satisfying moment. Even though it was a red trade, our stop loss, okay, was insane. Okay, we cut off right when we broke support, minus 20%. And that, just makes us, that educational type of content where, okay, you lost a trade, but we learned a very, very nice lesson. And the stop loss was not too bad because, again, we had the PayPal play with plus 88%. And then Riot looks similar with our stop loss. Okay, so again, stop loss is going to be below this support. Okay, we need high volume, and I usually if at open, if we keep bear flagging like SQ was bear flagging, just cut it. We can always come back to this play. Now I'm just loving this play. I'm looking to enter it tomorrow as long as if we hold this level. Okay, psychology and numbers, two key things regarding technical analysis. The demand zone is the 30, okay? The magical number is 30. There's another magical number, 40. 30, 40, okay? Whenever I make these videos, there's always like a crucial number. It's all psychology. That 30 number, whenever it clicks in, whenever you see that number, people want to buy Riot. When it hits 40, it's that supply level. And going back into Apple had this going on a lot where it like had this 150 level and now it's like rejecting 155, and I remember this 130 level. Another example is with AMC. I'll be making another video on AMC because we're breaking this 50 level. So again, Riot, those magic numbers 30 and 40, when I'm seeing 30, I'll be buying it. And overall, if tomorrow is red, I'm watching to buy off of that support level, off of 30, and then again close below or just a dump at open below, I'm selling off. Now expiration, I'm looking at a month out because again, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto is looking very, very nice. Okay, we have this very nice cup and handle, so I'm looking at a month out calls with a very, very nice stop loss. Now you can actually play this play two ways. You buy off calls and you scale in slowly. You don't go all in, right? Because what if we break the support? So when we start curling up right over here, you buy in, you load in, and right when we break out, it's kind of like the final, the final entry. And right when we break out is when the magic happens. Okay, I can show you a example of the ascending triangle. And again, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, I kind of counted this as like one wave instead of like a zigzag. But as you can see, third time is the charm. Technically fourth or fifth if you count this in. But the next charm is the charm. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. That is how ascending triangles work. Apple is a very nice example of a ascending triangle, and again, it can take many tries to break the resistance. And I'll be making another video on crypto because we do have some sort of secret catalyst which I'll be making in another video. But if we look at the weekly, and the weekly looks very nice. It kind of looks like the Tesla weekly. Okay, so as you can see, Tesla had this ascending triangle, and if you bought Tesla at at that support, congratulations. But Riot at the support is looking very nice. The main thing is that we already have a very nice stop loss. Okay, our stop loss is set in mind, our price target is set in mind, and option calculator is the site where I calculate my profits. And again, huge thanks to commenting on Twitter. This video wouldn't be possible without me looking at right over here. But I'm looking at a month out on Riot calls. Okay, so let's look at like October 15th. Always at the money. Okay, so 410. I'm surprised we have 410. Okay, so and then our price target is going to be like around 40. So around 40, that's 120 at expiration. Okay, if we do hit this resistance by next month. Okay, so looking at around oh my god, not just zoom in. Let's look at this ruler. So we're talking about around like a 28%. Okay, this stock like dropped 20% in the past week. Okay, so 40 is going to be our price target. Even like 35 looks very possible. So this is the contract that I'm looking at, a month out expiration. It's surprisingly cheap with a month out call. And then our stop loss is going to be 30. So our mental stop loss is going to be minus 25%. Okay, so I'll be setting my stop loss, giving you guys the stop loss negative 25%, and we're looking at a potential 50% to even 120% on this contract. So very cheap play, a stop loss set in mind, and overall I'm loving this. Okay, this is going to be our price target, and overall this video has literally everything you just need. This video, if you guys have any questions, there shouldn't be any questions because I covered it in this video. So overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comment, let me know in Twitter, Instagram, and overall, thank you for watching. I'm literally uploading 3 times a day. If you guys are enjoying, in return, all I'm asking for you to do is hit that like button. And as always, thank you for watching.